Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to do the grid gauge chart in Excel. If you see, we have a gauge chart which is in a grid fashion. And we have a gray portion which represents the entire portion, and we have this pink portion which represents our percentage score. If you go here and change the percentage, the highlighted pink portion changes automatically. As this gauge chart is in a grid fashion, it is called as a grid gauge chart. So let's go ahead and create this chart. If you see, here we have a percent. So here we will be writing the percentage value which we want to show. Next, we will convert this percentage to a number. So we multiply this by 100. Now, if you see here, we have three columns. The first column is serial number, and this serial number is 1 to 100. And then in all area, we have ones written across all the way till the bottom. And here we have the sum, which is 100. For this percent area, what we will do is we will say if this value over here is less than or equal to this number, the percentage which we converted to a number format, then return me a 1, else return me a 0. And we close it. And we drag the formula down. So if you see here, up till 25 we get 1 as our percentage is 25. And then we get zeros. At the extreme bottom, where the sum is there, what you need to write is 200. You minus it and you minus it by this percentage score. So if you see, you get the value as 75, as 200 minus 25 is 175. Next, what you need to do is select both of this and insert a donut chart. Remove the legends and remove the chart title. Let us just increase our chart. Now, if you select any one of the series and do format series, go here, you see you can select your all series and you can select your percent series. So the first is select your all series, go to fill and select a gray color and create a solid fill. So if you see, your entire area is converted into gray color. Next, you need to go to border, create a solid line and use a white color line and keep it as 1.5 width. Now if you see, your all series is in gray color. We have a 1.5 width for the border and we have two portions. One is the grid portion and one is the solid gray portion. Once again, select your series, go to percent area. Over here, create solid fill, select the color which you want. For example, I am selecting purple color. Next, again for border, create solid line, select a white line and keep it as 1.5. So if you see, we have two series, the purple series and the gray series. Now the next step what you need to do is the solid portion, that is the solid purple and the solid gray. You need to make it disappear. To select the solid purple, go to fill and say no fill. Again select the solid gray and say no fill. So now you see the solid portions have disappeared. Next, what you need to do is you can select first the all series and make it 70%, the donut hole size. Do the same for the percent area. Also make it 70%. Now select your series, go to change chart type and this percent area which you have written, put it on the secondary axis and do OK. We have somehow reached to our chart, but it is tilted. So to achieve the chart in the straight fashion, what you need to do is select your chart. First go to all and do 270 as the angle of first size. So we have done for the all series. Now do for the person series also. Make it 270. So if you see, your chart has tilted all the way. If you change the chart percentage, for example 45, you see your percentage changes. Let us try one more percent. You see 100, the entire thing changes, and 5, a small portion. The next step is to add a label. So you go to insert, you insert a text box, and here you go in the text box and you link it with the percent value. Let us just increase the font size, and I have put it in the same way. In the shape format, select no outline. So this you can add a solid box or a solid text box with a fill. You can format this in whatever way you want. And this is a completely dynamic chart. It completely updates and you can see it's in a grid fashion. So I hope you enjoyed this chart, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time.